Uniswap is the biggest smart contract in DeFi. So when actually talking about Uniswap, it can be referred to as two things. Number one, it's an actual exchange. So just like any other centralized exchange like Coinbase or Kraken or any of the regular ones, you can swap from ERC20 token to ERC20 token. Now they're specifically only ERC20 tokens. So if your cryptocurrency is on a different blockchain, then it technically has to be like wrapped by the Ethereum blockchain. So it's only basically Ethereum coins, if that makes sense. And then number two, they actually have a native token that captures the revenue of the platform to help the token appreciate in price. So we have to talk about its native token, of course, and exactly how it works to see if we can make some money on it, because that's what you guys are here for. You're here to make money, of course. So the coin ticker itself is UNI. It was released September 18th, 2020 with an initial supply of 1 billion coins, and they released it gradually. Now, Uniswap is famous because they actually gave an airdrop of 15% of all their supply to random people that just use the Uniswap protocol. And it actually caused a huge disturbance. And the reason why is because a lot of money. It was like a stimulus check. It was like $1,000 to $2,000, depending on when you got it and what the price of the coin was worth. But it just caused a huge disruption, and everybody was super excited that they got this free money, like a free $1,000, kind of similar to a stimulus check.
What are you going to do with all this money?
I'm going to reinvest my money into the community.
Oh, that's a very nice gesture. What were you saying?
So if we look at the coin distribution, you can see that it's very good. Actually, 60% goes to the community members, and then the team members are only getting 21.51%. And then some of the investors that started off early get a 4-year vested, meaning they can sell the coins quarterly or monthly, depending on what their vesting terms are. They're only getting 17%. As you guys know, when it comes to coin distributions, I like it when the vast majority of them are going to the public. The reason for it is because if the actual owners or the investors have the majority of the coins, they can dump it on the market and depreciate the price. And essentially what they're doing is they're dumping their bags on us. So it's always good to look at coin distributions that have more going out than in. So if you look at the second figure, you see that they're still giving out coins. The inflation of this coin is about 2%. Okay, so they're giving out 2% every year starting in 2024. And the reason why they're doing this is to ensure continued participation and contributions to the platform so they can incentivize people for providing liquidity and using the platform, if that makes sense. If I had to compare this to something that's like really in the world, you guys all should know that like they're printing money, right? The Fed is printing money rapidly. They're doing it through liquidity crunches. They're giving money to other governments. They're giving money to corporate buybacks, their friends, the top 1%. The vast majority of the money is going to the top 1%. With Uniswap, it's a little bit different. It's going to the token holders. So if I were to compare it, it would be like, a centralized place in the feds, right? Kind of just keeping the money for themselves. But Uniswap's a little bit different because they're distributing it to everybody. So it would be equivalent to like giving stimulus checks that are way bigger, because what they did, if you guys didn't notice, is they actually went and gave like $8 billion to all of their friends, corporate buybacks, liquidity crunches, quantitative easing. And then they only gave us $1,200 as a real stimulus check. So yeah, they gave the vast majority to their friends. So in this case, Uniswap would have gave us a way bigger stimulus check. Yeah, so Uniswap, it's for the people, right? What does Uni do, right? So the main function of Uni is to grant holders the right to make decisions on the protocol, just like any governance token. It helps to further the decentralization of the Uniswap exchange by making it publicly owned and self-sustainable.